Hello, my beautiful butterflies. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you two items I picked up from Dior. So look at this gorgeous Valentine's Day packaging. It is so beautiful, you guys. And if you can see all around it, it says, Je vous adore. I love you. I adore you guys. For sure. So let's take a look at what we have inside, and happy Valentine's Day to you guys. For my samples, I picked up 2 free samples of their new fragrances. The first one is Rosy Glow. I love the design of these fragrances because it looks just like the lip glow. So the second one I got was called Peachy Glow. These are auto perfumes and I can't wait to try them out. The first item I picked up is one of their new Dior added lip glow oils. I got it in the new sparkly finish called Cupcake. Ooh, look at those pink and green sparkles. The last item I picked up was Dior Vernis, aka Polish, and I picked it up in the shade Minty. Ooh, look at this beautiful minty green here with shifts of a periwinkle in there. Ooh, that's gonna be so gorgeous. That's the first coat, and I'm glad it's different from my other shade Pastel Mint from Dior as well. And here is that second coat. Look at that beautiful shade, y'all. The iridescent periwinkle in here is gorgeous. I love it. I can't wait to get this all over my nails. It's just simply beautiful. So here is that Pastel Mint again, one of my favorite nail polishes from Dior. But this new one here in Minty is right up there with it. Let's check out some of my other favorites from Dior. This Blue Star is also a hit with Dior that I love, and also the Ruben. I also use their base coat as well. It's a really good one. And this cream apricot really nourishes the nails. It's thick, but it gets the job done. And most of the time, I just rub it all over my hands. Pulling out one of my trays here, it looks like the new lip glow oil I got in Cupcake looks similar to my lip maximizer in 002 Opal. But if you can see here, there is a difference. Next, let me share some of my other Dior favorites. First, I have the foundation stick in the shade 4N. And then I have the contour stick in 02 Tan, another favorite of mine. And as you can see, it's a really good match for me, especially on my hands. But on my face, though, it is a tad bit darker, but I make it work because for some odd reason, my face is lighter than the rest of my body. There's a swatch of that contour stick. Guys, I love these. Next, two more favorites of mine, which are my Rosy Glow Sticks. The first one I have here in the shade Candy, and the other one is the shade Toffee. And I love how these add the perfect glow to my cheeks with a tint of color. Okay, guys, that wraps it up for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Comment down below some of your Dior favorites. I love to hear from you. And je vous adore. As always, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one.